Welcome to HelloABCs, where learning is fantastic. Meet Mia and Max, two best friends who love to learn new things every day. Hi friends! Today we are going to learn something super special. Yup! We are learning magic words. No, not abracadabra. These are words that make the world a kinder place. Are you ready? Let's go! Magic word first, please. Max, may I please have a cookie? Of course, Mia. Since you said please, here you go. Please is a magic word that shows good manners when we ask for something. Magic word 2. Thank you. Yummy! Thank you, Max. You are welcome, Mia. Thank you shows we are grateful when someone helps us or gives us something. Magic word 3. Excuse me. Excuse me, Mia. Can I show you my drawing? Sure, Max. Thanks for saying excuse me first. Excuse me is used when we need to interrupt or get someone's attention nicely. Magic word 4. Sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry, Mia. I didn't mean to knock over your blocks. It's okay, Max. Thanks for saying sorry. Sorry is a magic word we use when we make a mistake. It helps fix feelings. Wow! Magic words really are magical. Let's say them together, friends. Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. Great job! Now you know the magic words to be kind and polite every day. Thanks for watching HelloABCs. Please like, subscribe and share.